Hello everyone. Let's just wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can wait for people to join in. Okay. So good afternoon everyone. I am Muskan Sharma and welcome back to Amul's live session. So today I'm going to prepare a very tasty dish, that is lasagna rolls up with truffle cream. तो आज हम बनाएंगे लजानिया रोल्स अप एंड साथ ही मैं आपको बताऊंगी ट्रफल क्रीम कैसे बनानी है. So for making this recipe, I'm using today Amul products, and I'm very thankful to Amul for giving all the home chefs this lovely and amazing platform. So today I will be using Amul pizza mozzarella cheese, Amul cheese slices, Amul fresh cream and Amul butter obviously. So let's start up. तो रेसिपी स्टार्ट करने से पहले जो बेसिक चीज़ें मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, तो सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे एक सॉटे करके वेजीज हम बनाएंगे. सो उस वेजीज के लिए आई एम यूजिंग हेयर डाइस्ड कैप्सिकम. आप बेल पेपर्स कोई भी कलर के यूज़ कर सकते हैं, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन. So today I'm using green capsicum, which is finely chopped. Then I'm be using chopped carrot and chopped broccoli. So you can see here, I will be using these three types of veggies, which is finely chopped. So first I'm going to saute the veggies. So for this I will be using this Amul butter. हर घर में जो बटर आता है सिर्फ अमूल का ही आता है. And this is my personal favorite butter since my childhood. Okay. So I'm using Amul butter. So I'm making my dish in induction. So I will be using this much butter. You can use unsalted butter as well. This is a salted butter. Amul का जो ये आता है. You can use Amul unsalted butter, the blue packet as well. So जब तक हमारा बटर सॉटे हो रहा है, I hope you can see. आप इसमें हल्का सा ऑयल भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट आई लाइक मेकिंग इट विद बटर. सो लजानिया तो मेरी फेवरेट डिश है, बट आई एम डूइंग टुडे अ फ्यूजन विद लजानिया. हम नॉर्मल जो लजानिया घर पे खाते हैं, बाहर खाते हैं, इट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेयर्स. But today I am making it in a different form and a different shape, that is the roll-ups. Right? So our butter is melted here. Now into this butter we are going to add chopped garlic. One TSP of chopped garlic. If you like more, you can add one more TSP. So chopped garlic goes in as well. बहुत अच्छा भी खुशबू आ रहा है इसका. अरोमा इज वेरी नाइस राइट नाउ. So you can see here my butter is melted and my garlic is also giving a very good smell right now. So after my garlic is done, I am now going to add in some chopped carrots. My chopped capsicum or any bell peppers that you want to add. जो भी आप वेजिटेबल्स यूज़ करेंगे सब चॉप्ड होनी चाहिए. Then half TSP of ginger garlic paste goes in as well. वेजिटेबल्स आपकी जो भी चॉइस की हैं आप वो सब ऐड कर सकते हो, जो भी आपको वेजीज अच्छी लगती हैं यू कैन ऐड दैट. Now I am going to add in some chopped broccolis, which is my personal favorite. So I am here using broccolis. तो आप अपनी मर्ज़ी के हिसाब से ऐड कर सकते हो. You can also add sweet corn if you like. So now I am going to just saute it. बहुत अच्छी फ्रेगनेंस आ रही है अभी. So this is a red bell pepper sauce which I had prepared at home. So you can see the color, it's pretty beautiful. See the consistency of the sauce. So I will be using 1 TSP of this sauce as well. You can make it this sauce at home. आप घर पे भी बना सकते हो. रेडीमेड भी आती है सॉस, तो you can use that as well. Now I'm using half TSP of salt. Then some oregano goes in as well. And some chili flakes. So you can customize according to your taste. Then I'm going to put in some black pepper. So black pepper goes in as well. ये इतनी टेस्टी बनती है कि आप इसको एज अ फिलिंग किसी में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत हेल्दी भी रेसिपी है. यू कैन हैव दिस अलोंग साइड चपातीज और पराठा. इसी में आप चीज़ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम नॉट एडिंग राइट नाउ. So you can see my veggies are done. It's beautiful now. If you have any doubts you can ask right now. You can add sweet corn into this or any other vegetables that you like. So the first part of the recipe is done. हमने अपनी veggies complete कर ली है. Now I'm going to pour it in my bowl. और ध्यान रखना जब आप वेजिटेबल्स को यूज़ करेंगे इट शुड बी फाइनली चॉप्ड. बहुत बारीक होनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम लजानिया की शीट्स में रोल करेंगे. तो हमें लजानिया शीट्स जो होती हैं मैं आपको भी दिखाती हूँ. दीज आर वेरी डेलिकेट शीट्स. So the lasagna sheets are very delicate. So I will just show you how these looks like. So I have this lasagna sheets with me. These are ready-made sheets, and if you are a chef you know how to make it. I'm sure you're gonna make this at your home also. So अगर आपके पास टाइम है आप lasagna sheets घर पे भी बना सकते हैं. And if not, these are ready-made sheets. You can get it from supermarket. You can order it. तो ये lasagna sheets बहुत ही delicate होती है, बहुत easily टूट जाती हैं, बहुत पतली होती है ये lasagna sheets. सो हमें जो हम वेजिटेबल्स, हम जो भी मिक्स वेजीज हम यूज कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड नॉट बी टू बिग, राइट? सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस. तो अभी तक हमने वेजीज बनाई थी. सेकेंड, जब आप सॉस बनाएंगे तो यू कैन यूज टोमेटोज एंड बेल पेपर्स. उसको हम मिक्सी में ग्राइंड करके वी कैन मेक अ थिक पेस्ट एंड वी कैन मेक अ थिक सॉस लाइक दिस. एंड इसी का 1 टेबलस्पून हमने अपनी वेजीज में ऐड करा था. सो दिस इज द सॉस, राइट? So our ingredients are ready. So this is my veggies, this was my sauce. And for the truffle cream मैंने क्या किया था, सबसे पहले जो mascarpone cheese आता है, so we have the mascarpone cheese. So I took 3 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese. Into that I have used Amul cheese sauce. 3 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoon of Amul cheese sauce. And so you can see the consistency will be like this. उन दोनों को अच्छे से हमने मिक्स करना है. mascarpone cheese and Amul cheese sauce. So Amul cheese sauce मैंने spicy garlic वाली यूज किया है. We have 3 variants. One is plain, one is chili paprika, and one is the garlic. So I have used the spicy garlic sauce here. And then next I will be using my Amul cheese slices. So this is my Amul cheese slices that I have used. So this is my Amul cheese slices. So 3 tablespoon of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoon of Amul cheese sauce, and this is my Amul cheese slice which I will be using. So you can use one or two. Now I'm using just half of it. So you can use cheese sauce or anything that you want to put into this. Right? So this will be the consistency. इसी में हम थोड़े से ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं to make it more tasty. So this is my oregano and a dash of chili flakes. So into my mascarpone cheese, 3 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of Amul cheese sauce, and 1 slice or half a slice of Amul cheese. So this will be the consistency, if you can see. So this is my truffle cream which is ready. I will just pour it in the end. So now I will be using my lasagna sheets right now. So as I showed you right now, these were my lasagna sheets. So ये सबसे पहले मैंने अपनी lasagna sheet ली है. So these are very dry and आपको इस पे थोड़ा सा oil करना है. You can use butter, melted butter as well. So I have used Amul butter. थोड़ा सा melted butter है. So just put it like this. I think it's visible to everyone. So over my lasagna sheets, I am using my melted butter. So you can see lasagna sheets पे मैंने एक बटर की लेयर लगाई है, मेल्टेड बटर. देन जो मैंने अपना सॉस रेडी किया था, आई एम पुटिंग दैट सॉस एज वेल. व्हाइट सॉस, mascarpone cheese, truffle cream, I am putting it like this. Over the top I am going to put my sauce, red bell pepper sauce, and then again I am going to do like this. रेसिपी हमारी वही होती है. It's just a fusion that you try out and it's upon your creativity. आप कैसे करते हो. Using this, it's very easy. So you can see here, हमने लजानिया शीट पे सबसे पहले बटर की लेयर करी यूजिंग अमूल बटर, देन नेक्स्ट लेयर ऑफ ट्रफल क्रीम, देन लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट वी हैव पुट अ लेयर ऑफ द सॉस, बेल पेपर सॉस दैट वी प्रिपेयर्ड एट. नाउ आई विल बी यूजिंग द वेजीज. एक हम वेजीज की लेयर डालेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं, बहुत थोड़ी. जस्ट टॉस इट अप विथ सम वेजीज. So you need to toss it up with your veggies. Then I will be using these Amul cheese slices. Amul cheese slices को छोटा छोटा हम ऐसे यूज करेंगे. Meanwhile, you can put your oven or your OTG for preheat at 180 degrees Celsius, or you can keep it lower also. You know your oven better. जब तक आप ये रेसिपी बना रहे तब तक आपका oven भी preheat हो जाएगा. थोड़ी सी cheese slices. You can use Amul shredded cheese as well. जो shredded cheese आते हैं Amul का वो भी आप इससे डाल सकते हो. Next, I will be using Amul mozzarella cheese. So this is the mozzarella cheese that I am using. So all I am going to do is just shred it like this. Grate it. यहाँ तक सबको clear है, I guess. I like the mozzarella cheese more, so I use this. Right? So मैंने आपको एक पूरी लेयर दिखा दी है how you have to prepare it. ये हमारी लेयर रेडी है. हो सकता है तो आप अगर इसके ऊपर चाहते हैं कि थोड़ी सी और वेजीज आप डालना चाहते हैं अलग से तो वो भी डाल सकते हैं. If you want to put or you want to add more truffle cream, you can add that as well. Now you need to roll it up like this. Roll, roll. Be very careful while rolling it. Right? So this is my lasagna rolls up. So it will be rolled like this. I hope it's clear to everyone till here. Any questions you can ask me. ये हमारा पहला roll ready हो गया. So now it's going to be put up in this tray. तो आप या तो इसको rolls up को you can keep it like this or you can keep it standing like this. So I am putting it on the downside. And for that I am using the melted butter. We need to brush it up with our melted butter so that our rolls up don't get stick. So a layer of my melted butter. Then first goes in a layer of the red bell pepper sauce that I had prepared at home, like this. And now you need to just dash it on like this. इसको सबसे पहले lasagna में हम red veggies की layer लगाएंगे after a layer of butter, like this. So you get a mix of flavors in every roll up bites, like this. बहुत ही easily ये recipe बन जाती है. And आज Sunday है तो everyone can try this out. You can also tag me on my page @thebakershouse. So that's my Insta handle @thebakershouse, Muskan Sharma. So this is done. मैं अब आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हो rolls up like this if you want, but I would prefer to keep it like this. So you have to make all the layers like this one by one. So this is my next lasagna sheet that I will be using. First a layer of melted butter. Melted butter, then truffle cream. Meanwhile, you can ask me any questions or any doubts you have. Then next, my veggies. You can add red chili, green chilies also. Then some slices of cheese. So you need to put the slices of cheese, Amul cheese slices. आप श्रेडेड चीज भी यूज कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. देन ग्रेट इन सम मोज़रेला चीज. So mozzarella cheese goes in as well, like this. हल्की सी if you sauce भी हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, like this. थोड़ा सा ऑरिगेनो और थोड़ा सा चिली फ्लेक्स. It's perfect to roll. Now I'm going to roll this out. You can see कि हमारी layers ready है. Now just roll it up. Carefully you have to roll it down. So my next roll is ready. You can keep it like this or you can keep it like this. So I'm putting in my roll-ups like this. So one by one you can add all the roll-ups and then over the top you can add some cheese into that. What else you can do is you can make it just a layer. जैसे हमने इस पे layering roll करके करी है. What you can do कि you take the pan. आपने सबसे पहले बटर की लेयर लगाई, उसके ऊपर आपने अपनी बटर की लेयर के बाद आपने उसमें अपना सॉस का लेयर लगाया, फिर ट्रफल क्रीम लगाई, मैस्करपोन चीज़ एंड अमूल चीज़ यूज़ करके. उसके बाद आपने शीट्स को एज इट इज़ प्लेस कर दिया like this. फिर लेयरिंग करी using the same thing, using the same methods that I have suggested you right now. And you can make out fusion recipes also. And tag my page at the baker's house and Amul page also. So यहाँ पे मेरी अपनी veggies कर ली ready. Then again Amul cheese slice, right? Shredded cheese अगर आप यूज करते तो you can add it just like this. Shredded तो already आपका shredded है तो उसमें कोई problem नहीं आती. Now my cheese. So you can get a big shredded cheese like this, and I love doing this out. So you can see these long shreds of cheese. So you can use this cheese over the top and then pour in some sauce, some oregano or chili flakes if you want, and then just roll it up. Like this. Now you need to place it. So ऐसे ही आपको प्रोसेस रिपीट करनी है. अभी हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है तो यू नीड टू पुट ऑल योर रोल्स अप लाइक दिस. या आप शीट वाइज भी कर सकते हैं. सो अराउंड 8 रोल्स अप आप बनाएंगे, वो आप इसमें ऐड करेंगे एंड उसके ऊपर से आपको ये सॉस की लेयरिंग करनी है. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कैसे करनी है. ये सॉस की लेयरिंग आपने इसके ऊपर करनी है लाइक दिस सॉस. देन एंड में हमारा जाएगा बटर की लेयर. Then toss it up with truffle cream like this. 3 layers हो गई आपकी. And उसके ऊपर से again we are giving our Amul mozzarella cheese like this. So it's coming out lovely. You can see like this. And over the top, icing on a cake is our Amul cream, Amul fresh cream. So you can just pour it down also over this, right? So ऐसी layers आपको बनानी है. आपकी मर्जी है आप कितनी layers बनाना चाहते हो. 1 layer, 2 layer, जितनी भी आप layers बनाना चाहते हैं. And over it I will be pouring in some spring onions and my chili flakes and oregano like this. Oregano, chili flakes and some black pepper as well. And some cheese slices just to add on a cheesy taste like this. जितना चीज़ आप ऐड करना चाहो आप ऐड कर सकते हो. मैं तो पूरा पैकेट भी यूज़ कर सकती हूँ like this. And over it you can use black pepper and थोड़ी सी veggies भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो. You will get a very crisp veggies out of this. So layering आप कर देंगे ऐसे ही आपकी रेसिपी बन जाएगी. Right? So you have to take care of the lasagna sheets that you are using. These are very brittle and it easily gets break off and tears apart. So you can make a layer like this as well. सारी layers ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. And last में you can pour in your Amul fresh cream over the top. Once it's baked, you have to bake it at 160 degrees Celsius in your OTG or in your oven for good amount of 15 to 20 minutes. एंड आपको अपने ओवन के बारे में ज़्यादा अच्छे से पता है तो आपको अपना टेम्परेचर पता है आप किस टेम्परेचर पे ये बेक करते हो यूजुअली एंड कितने टाइम के लिए आप यूज़ करते हो. सो यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. राइट. सो आई होप द रेसिपी वॉज क्लियर टू एवरीवन and do try this out recipe at home today for your family, for your loved ones, for your kids today. Right. And you can tag me Muskan Sharma at the Baker's House and Amul as well. So that was all about today's session, and thank you so much once again Amul for giving me this platform, to giving all the super women out there, all the women entrepreneurs, the home chefs and home bakers this opportunity. We really appreciate your effort, Amul. Thank you so much. And if you have any doubts you can ask me right now. So the session is over from my side. Thank you so much for joining in. And don't forget to tag Amul and me also at the Baker's House on Instagram, on Facebook, any way that you like. Right? So this was Muskan Sharma signing off today from Amul's live session. Hope you enjoyed the session. And do try this recipe out at your home and do let me know. And also do let Amul know how was the recipe. So whenever you're looking out this video, whenever you're watching right now, or maybe after the live session is ended, do comment in the comment section how you like the recipe and do try this out at your home. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Thank you.